Due to the recent changes in Kali Linux 2020, I'll be providing a custom-built VM for all of my courses, although this VM was built specifically for my newest course, Hands-On Penetration Testing Labs 4.0. This can be downloaded from the Google Drive that's attached to this lecture as a text file, as you see on screen. Kali Linux 2020 has one primary difference from all of its predecessors, being that it does not come configured with the root user. Instead, they've implemented an unprivileged user named Kali, which requires the usage of sudo to elevate privileges for many commands. You can use the unprivileged Kali account if you want to, but I've configured a Kali Linux 2020 VM which is tailored for this course that has a root user created the same way as the previous version of Kali. Additionally, I've installed most of the tools that will be required for enumeration and exploitation during the course of the upcoming lectures for your convenience. In order to get it, open up a web browser as you see on screen, access my provided Google Drive, and download the Kali Linux OVA file. To do this, just click Download. Click Download anyway. After the download is complete, double-click the OVA file, which I'm going to show you in a moment. Okay, here's the OVA file. I'm just going to double-click that. It is going to open up VirtualBox Manager. Once that's open, just name this Kali Linux 2020, and I'm going to click Import. Just give that a bit. Once the import is complete, let's check our network settings. So right-click Kali Linux 2020, go to Settings, click the Network tab, and for adapter 1, we want it attached to NAT. We could alternatively have it attached to the bridged adapter. Either one is going to give us internet connectivity. For adapter 2, we want it set to host only, and make sure that you have a name selected. If you don't have one, then you'll have to create one. So the host only adapter is the one that is going to allow us to communicate with all of the vulnerable VMs which we'll be attacking during this course. To start it up, just highlight this and click Start. The two accounts I have for you here are username root and password Tor, or T-O-O-R, all lowercase, and username Kali and password Kali, K-A-L-I, also all lowercase. So there you go, you're all set up. Enjoy.